Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 26th February 2024. Maruti Suzuki's continued dominance on Dalal Street as investors' most preferred domestic automobile maker faces challenges, with rival Hyundai Motor preparing for a debut on Indian bourses. The South Korean car maker's listing in the country could weigh on the premium valuations that Maruti's shares enjoyed over other auto companies so far. Hyundai is in discussions with bankers for an initial public offering here, but the timing and size of the share sale is yet to be ascertained. An advisory committee set up by Paytm owner One97 Communications after the Reserve Bank's action on its payments bank business is yet to have a deeper engagement with the company to identify any issue. Reliance Industries and Walt Disney have signed a binding agreement to merge Viacom 18 and Star India, creating India's largest media empire. The deal is expected to be announced this week, spanning TV broadcasting, streaming, movies, and sports. Reliance will own 61% of the combined company, with Uday Shankar as the leader. A planned special resolution framework for real estate for effectively granting greater protection to defaulting firms from bankruptcy proceedings is unlikely to feature in the amendments to the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code that the government is firming up. After extensive deliberations, the government now reckons that such sector-specific mechanisms within the IBC could dilute the very essence of the bankruptcy law and prove to be counterproductive. Reliance Industries Limited plans to set up over 50 compressed biogas plants in the next 2 years. Compressed biogas is a green fuel similar to CNG. Reliance Industries Limited aims to reduce carbon emissions, produce organic manure, and retail CBG and bio-CNG at GOBP outlets. ICAI releases mock test paper Series 1 for CA Final and Intermediate May 2024 exams. The government has extended the interest equalization scheme for pre- and post-shipment rupee export credit scheme up to June 30, 2024. The rate of interest equalization shall be 2% for manufacturers and merchant exporters exporting under specified 410 HS lines and 3% for MSME manufacturers exporting under any HS line. Further, with effect from financial year 23-24, banks that have priced loans covered under the scheme at an average interest rate higher than repo rate plus 4% would be subjected to certain restrictions. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.